Right down the middle. Hiponya again. Kagigla with a better first ball. Moming! Puts it down. And she puts Arellano at set point. Moming Padillon. Combo play for Arellano University. 6 straight points. Naghahanap ng magandang pasa si Coach Josh. And one good execution. KC! Third 1-2 play for KC Adante.
Oh, mabigat to para sa San Beda. Hindi nila makuha kung anong klaseng play yung ira-run nitong Arellano and Adante getting another one.
We see Angel there getting treated on her left leg. Tudlasan. KC has been the difference maker. Make that 4 dumps. 4 1-2 plays now for Adante.
Set point.
May, look at that. Kita mo naman yung pagdala niya dun. Siyan magdidictate kung kaano kaganda yung magiging set ng setter. Ooh. Sam is denied. KC at the net. This is sent across. Castillo. Cañete. Tira-tira with a rejection, but it's still alive. Adante to Sam. Tira-tira. Arellano retaliates.
Oh, pinaramdam nila sa San Beda ngayon na hindi pa ito tapos.
Sam tira-tira. Kinuldukan. Here we go. Oof. Pablo again absorbing that serve.
But Adante again.
Yeah. These 1-2s by KC Adante. Panglima, ito unintentional kasi kailangan na niya itawid. That time, napaganda ba para sa Arellano?
Kanya-kanyang schools, mga nandito sa PhilHoil Eco Arena.
Yeah.
Binabati namin kayo ng magandang hapon.
Tudlasan!
Ayan, napakagandang bati. Galing kay Laika Tudlasan.
Set point. Arellano. Wind up. Put down by Laika Tudlasan.
Oh.
Hiponya. KC brings it to Tudlasan. Binalik nung kaliwang kamay ni Navarro. One more time for a stronger attempt for Tudlasan.
Oh, making sure this time it counts.
And this one is the set ender provided by Laika Tudlasan. Saktong-sakto. Ito, pinahirapan yung first ball, but Arellano recovers. Tira-tira.
Oh, may ang ganda nung set ni Adante doon, oh. Parang hindi aabot pero isang kamay na lang.
One-handed tap. San Beda is trying to extend this match. Gina Espina, secondary setter starts. De Guzman! Wow! Pau has been connecting. Pau De Guzman puts it down.